At some point, civil contempt becomes punitive. Civil contempt is supposed to make the person do the act. If the person's not doing the act at some point, it's just not effective. So it has to be then given a date certain. You can't just hold a human being in custody until all 26 people, some of them don't have lawyers, forever.
Yeah.
That's what Judge Glanville said. That's the problem. So I'm just being transparent. We're going to have a situation where Mr. Copeland's testifying. At some point, I'm going to be able to ask questions. I'm going to ask him, was there a time on June 10th, 2015, that you found yourself in an office with a judge? Was this person who I'm pointing at there? He'll say, I believe no. But the transcript says, exactly, you spoke with Ms. Love earlier.
If we get to that, that may be something that you are able to examine him about. And I do think that, you have the transcript, and I know everybody has said, oh, there was Brady in there. Y'all got it all now, so it's not Brady anymore. If it even was before, y'all have it. You can use it at trial. I think you can appropriately examine Mr. Copeland if he decides to testify.
If he decides to testify?
Some, maybe all of the things that happen in there, that may be something we have to hash out a little bit more. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. So with regard to legally incorrect information that the judge gave to Mr. Copeland, the two, page 40, 41, 24, 25, and then the one that I cited that you mentioned about all of, you may have to stay in jail till all of the co-defendants' trials on page 36. Anything else?
We need you to testify. Line 16. Mr. Copeland should be there.
Yes.
I'm just following what the court told me, 23.
Yep.
The court said, so if you, I believe Mr. Copeland, are worried about what the defendants may ask you because they may know your business, but if they ask you about things that you might think you might have some liability with, you can't be prosecuted for any of those. Why?
Well, I think because this whole thing has to do with the fact that there was a 507 immunity order granted.